Okay, so these problems are going to become increasingly more complex as we go on, but nothing too bad, and we're going to get into them now. So the first one, 2 over 4, quite simply we can divide both top and bottom by 2 and we get 1/2, okay? And the aim with all these questions is to put them in the simplest form. 3 over 21, well 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 21 you can also divide by 3, so this is the same as 1 over 7. Okay, this one, we can't divide 26 by 4, but we can divide both top and bottom by 2. So we get 2 over 13 here. And 2 and 13 have no common factors, okay, because we can only divide 2 by 2 and 13 is odd. 5 over 60, well, we can divide top and bottom by 5 and we get 1/12. Okay, multiply fractions. We just multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So here we get 6 over 3 times 7, which is just 21. Here we do the same thing. It doesn't matter that this is top heavy. The method's still exactly the same. So we get 2 times 11, which is 22, over 5 times 10, which is 50. And these can both be divided by 2, and we get 11 over 25, okay? And that is the simplest form. Next up we have division, so what we do is we flip the second one and multiply. Okay, so, and multiplying just as before, so we get 3 times 8, that's 24, over 9 times 4, which is 36, and then we can simplify, we can half top and bottom again. There are quick ways to do this, but we'll just do it like this for now. So that's 18, and then both these can clearly be divided by 6, so that's equal to 2/3. Okay, we could have jumped there straight from here, but it doesn't matter as long as you get to the simplest form in the end. And here we do the same technique, so we get 1/12 times 6 over 5. Again, it doesn't matter that this is top heavy, the technique's still the same. So we get 6 over 12 times 5, which is 60, which is equal to 1/10. We can divide top and bottom by 6. Now adding fractions, we're going to multiply across here, and then add those up, and then multiply these as well. So we're going to get 7 plus 6 over 6 times 7, which is 42. That's equal to 13 over 42. Okay, so this one here, we are going to again do the same technique. So we're going to get 2 times 2 plus 3 times 7 all over 3 times 2. Just run like that so you can see the method. So that's equal to 4 plus 21 over 6. So that's equal to 25 over 6, which cannot be simplified. Subtracting fractions is the same, but obviously we just have a negative sign here, so we do. But here we notice we don't have to do the cross multiplication technique, because if we just multiply this one top and bottom by 2, we have a common denominator, so we can do 7/8 minus 2 over 8 instead, and that's just equal to 7 minus 2 over 8, so that's just 5 over 8. Okay, so if you can spot the common denominator nice and early, then it's probably easier just to do that. Here we have to remember bid mass or bod mass, whatever you call it, or just order of operations. So we get 1/2 plus, and then we do this multiplication, so we'll just do this in our heads. Get 2 over 15. Now this is equal to, and again we'll use the equivalent fractions method, so 1/2 is equal to 15 over 30, and that's plus 4 over 30. Of course these two methods are equivalent, they're doing exactly the same thing. It's just, this is, if you can't spot the common one easily, sometimes it's nice to just multiply them together. Okay, and this is equal to 19 over 30. And then here, in a very similar manner, we do the division first. So we get 9 over 10, and again we do the division in our heads, we are going to get 12 over 10. Okay, so that's flipping this over. We get 3 over 2 multiplied by 4 over 5. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10. And this is equal to minus 3 over 10. So I hope this was a helpful exercise. Just get you familiar with fractions, and if you can do everything on here, then you should be good. Thanks for watching this video. If you did find it helpful, please be sure to like the video. Any support on the channel is much appreciated, and subscribe for more regular maths content.